Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Cricut cutter on the market, the Cricut Rotary cutter. Whether you're into sewing, quilting, or fabric crafting, this tool promises precision, safety, and versatility. Let's see what makes it stand out and why it might be the perfect addition to your craft toolkit. First off, the Cricut Rotary cutter features a premium 45mm rotary blade made from high-carbon steel. This blade is designed to deliver crisp and controlled cuts on a wide variety of materials. Whether you're working with fabric, paper, or other crafting materials, this cutter aims to give you smooth, clean lines with minimal effort. The sharpness and quality of the blade are critical, especially when precision matters in projects like quilting or sewing. One of the standout features is its ergonomic, symmetrical handle. Unlike many rotary cutters that cater mostly to right-handed users, this design works comfortably for both right and left-handed crafters. This makes it a versatile tool for anyone in your crafting circle, regardless of their dominant hand. Safety is also a big focus with the Cricut Rotary cutter. It has a sliding quick-release blade cover that locks the blade away when not in use, protecting you from accidental cuts. This is especially important when you're storing your tools or moving around your workspace. The quick-release button mechanism is simple to operate, letting you activate or deactivate the blade quickly and securely. The size and weight of the cutter are also thoughtfully designed. It's lightweight at just over 3.5 ounces, making it easy to maneuver without causing hand fatigue during longer crafting sessions. Its compact dimensions make it easy to handle, control, and store without taking up much space. This cutter is manufactured by Provo Craft and Novelty and is part of Cricut's trusted line of crafting tools. It complements other Cricut products perfectly and enhances your overall crafting experience. The rotary cutter is not discontinued and continues to be a reliable choice for many. Keep in mind, this product is built for 110-volt outlets, which means if you're outside the United States, you might need a voltage converter to use it safely. In conclusion, the Cricut Rotary cutter offers a high-quality blade, a comfortable ambidextrous handle, and safety features that make it ideal for fabric, sewing, and quilting projects. If you're looking for precision and ease of use in your cutting tools, this might be the best Cricut cutter you can get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.